What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial. And guys, if you're new, I want to say a special welcome to you. Now in this video I want to share with you a secret command that allows you to quickly open up your mouse properties. Now all you have to do guys is simply click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in run. Yes, you get it right. Open up the run command and all you have to do is just simple type in control mouse. That's all. Hit enter and it's going to quickly open up your mouse properties on Windows. So guys, that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's all you have to do. Go to run, type in mouse control, and it will quickly open up the mouse properties for you. If you found follow here within this video, guys, take a moment to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new. And guys, at the end of this video, you will find a playlist that I create to share with you a ton of different secret commands that you can use to open up various applications on Windows. So if you want to learn more similar videos just like this, check out your playlist. You'll find a lot of videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one, guys.